In this video, I'll guide you through how to connect to Zscaler, a cloud-based security platform. Since I can't directly access Zscaler for this demonstration, I'll walk you through the process assuming you've been given the necessary credentials or configurations by your organization. So listen very carefully. First, open your browser and go to your organization Zscaler portal URL, usually provided by your admin. It might look something like login.zscaler.net or a custom URL given by your company, and then enter your login credentials, including your username and password, and then click Login to access the dashboard. Now, in order to download the Zscaler client connector, in the Zscaler dashboard, look for the section labeled Client Connector, formerly known as Zscaler app. So click download and choose the appropriate version of your operating systems. It can be Windows, macOS, Android, or iOS. And then install the application by following the on-screen instructions. Now, to configure the Zscaler client connector, open the installed Zscaler client connector on your device and then enter the login information or authentication key provided by your organization. Once authenticated, the app should automatically configure the connection to route your traffic securely through Zscaler. And then open your browser and visit a test website. Ensure that the Zscaler client indicates the connection is active and secured. You should see a Zscaler icon or status message confirming that traffic is route through the Zscaler network. And if you need a troubleshooting, if you face issues like no connection and error messages, you can ensure your internet is working and you've entered the correct credentials. And then for the error message, contact your IT administrator to verify configuration or update the software. And that's how you connect to Zscaler. I hope this guide helps you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.